Hi, I'm Karthik, and this is my first semester at New England College, and I have enrolled in MBA Executive MBA program. This course has been really helpful for me in my professional job. And I'm a manufacturing engineer at Johnson Johnson, and it is a medical device company. And I've worked a lot of new product introductions. New product introduction is basically designing a medical product, and from the manufacturer, designing, packaging, and to the marketing, everything Johnson & Johnson has to care. So as I'm a manufacturing engineer, I basically focus on designing stuff and drawings and all the documentation. So on the new products, you basically has to work with a lot of suppliers and the shop floor, your teammates. So you need a lot of leadership qualities, and this executive MBA program has given me a chance to work on my leadership qualities, and it has given me an opportunity to think like what are the leadership qualities are important to me. So the leadership qualities which I like are transformational leadership and situational leadership and adaptive leadership. Basically, I like these three leaderships because transformational leadership gives you an opportunity to work with everyone to achieve a common goal. So in new product introduction, our goal is to uh, see the final product had gone to the hospital with with full quality, and our goal is to help people. Johnson motto is to see the quality is good. So transformational leadership gives you opportunity to work with your teammates and to motivate each other. If you have any troubles, you can discuss with them. So I think it is really a good leadership quality. And situational leadership quality, there are many situations where you have to think according to the situation. So that's why I think situational quality is like really tricky, but I really like the situational leadership. And adaptive leadership in nowadays generation, adaptive leadership is really important, because when you are lacking behind, if you stick to the same uh, process or anything, and you will be the same, but the your competitors may succeed more than you. So adaptive leadership is where you keep on adapting to the situation. So I'll give you some examples. So there's this Windchill software, where to release a medical device document, it usually takes around 60 days to release a document, because it has to go through a lot of approvals. So in Windchill software, it's the place where the software sends the document to all approvers. Like for us, we have to get approvers like from 15 approvers, and they are in almost like 4 states. So that's the reason it takes 60 days to approve a document. So by using this adaptive leadership, I've come up with a process where it will take only 20 days to approve a document. So adaptive leadership had given me an opportunity to adapt. It's given me an idea, and I've created this plan, and it has been approved, and now it takes only 20 days, and I have saved like 40 days. And every day is important. Every day, in a business point of view, every day counts. So coming to situational leadership, there are where I use this means there are like lot of non-conformances. Non-conformances are the parts where the scrap parts or the parts which can be refixed. So we have to do a documentation investigation where it is going wrong. So well, for these new conformances, I have seen the situation and everything, and I have combined all the similar NCs together. And by using the situational leadership, I have done all the paperwork uh, in a single folder. I just send it for approvals. So by this, there will be a lot of work which can be skipped, and I think the situational leadership was perfect for it. It really helped me to not redo the same work again and again. And transformational leadership, in every day I use this transformation leadership by when working with my team or my suppliers or anyone, because our main motive is to work together and achieve the same goal. And when the new product introduction, you need to have the managing skills, you need to have the patience to see, because there are, you see many delays when the new product launch. So we have to be patient, we have to motivate each other, we have to build our confidence. And I think transformational leadership gives everyone the opportunity. It gives me an opportunity to how to encourage my shop floor people. And when I give them the instructions to do this, do that, it gives me opportunity to how to behave with them. So I think overall, executive MBA program and the leadership qualities were really good. And the other one was cybersecurity, was another course in my MBA, and it was also really good. And it has given me a lot, like how to protect, yeah, how to protect your data in your system, how to be safety. And it also has been a lot. It also helped me in my job to see how to protect my personal data and everything. And overall, this course has been really helpful. And thanks for this program. Thank you.